Well, I'm happy to see you all here today in this video. This means that you have seen my promo and you now want to know a little more before you enroll yourself for this particular program. And that is why I am here to tell you little more step by step, lecture by lecture on how this module is going to progress, and more importantly, how it is going to help you during COVID times. Well, friends, when the going gets tough, it is the tough that gets going, right? And today the going is tough. COVID has restricted ourselves a lot in our work profile. So we need to adjust to COVID times. And this module is going to deal with that only. We're going to go step by step. It's a 30-hour module, right? Each hour is going to be on a different topic. Okay? The rudiments of selling are going to remain the same. The principles of selling are going to remain the same. But the orientation towards it is going to differ, right? And that is what we are going to be discussing in this entire 30 hours module, which will be 1 hour per week. All right? So let us start how we are going to be doing it. Be proud to be a salesman. This is going to be our first topic. Friends, selling is a very queer art. It's an art and a science combined together. And you need to have a lot of inner strength to deal with your customers, to get orders, to fight competition. And like I said earlier, it's the tough that gets going during difficult times. And so during COVID times, how do you sell with pride to your customers is what we're going to discuss in this module. And I'm going to give you many stories of how confidence has helped salespeople to get orders and execute orders. In the second session, we're going to be discussing how to use the virtual platform to augment your sales. Actually, COVID has brought in a lot of limitations, like I told you. And more than physically being present in front of the customer, we'll be virtually present through maybe our video conferencing and through our written content in terms of maybe emails, WhatsApp messages, or letters, whatever that we make. So it is very important for us to learn the nuances of virtual selling and letter writing. Session 3 is going to deal with the scientific elements of selling. Selling is an art, yes, but it's more than art, it's a science. And you can learn and you can train yourself scientifically the way an athlete trains himself to excel in his sport. So I will be telling you many scientific formulas through which you can sell very effectively during COVID times. Session 4 is going to deal on how to reorient the steps of selling, because now in COVID times we cannot use the same method that we used to use prior to COVID. So today, although the format is going to remain the same, like approaching the customer, making a sales story, handling objections, and so on and so forth, but our method is going to be different, and that is what we're going to discuss in this particular session. Session 5 and 6 is going to deal more closely with how to go on the steps of selling. So how do you canvas for orders during COVID times? How do you progress a sale? How do you handle objections? How and when to ask for orders? How to close a sale? Right? All these things are going to be discussed, and remedies will be told to you on how to work during COVID times. Session 7 is going to deal with yet another very important topic and a myth with salesmen, that is, your work finishes when you get the order. No, your work rather starts when you get the order. Your work will finish only when the order is translated into profits for the organization. So how do you translate an order into profits for the organization? How do you execute it? That is what is going to be discussed in session number 7. AIDA's model, AIDA model, right? It's a very important concept in communication. And this AIDA's model can be translated and brought into your virtual communication and your virtual selling sequence also. So how to apply AIDA in your conference calls and in your writings is what is going to be discussed in session number 8. Why does a customer buy is going to be discussed in session number 9. A customer buys because he gets value from your sale, right? And how to generate this perceived value through virtual selling sequence is what is going to be discussed in this particular session. In session number 10, we're going to be understanding the concept of perceived value in deeper sense. I will be dwelling on how to create value perceptions during COVID times, how to bring in both conscious and subconscious values in the customer's minds. Taking perceived value further, in session number 11, we will be discussing the Kotler's concept of product layering. And I will tell you how through virtual platform you can augment the perceived value through Kotler's concept of product layering. Session number 12 to 15 are going to deal with scientific selling aids. I will tell you many equations which can be used for selling. These equations are not there in any books, right? And they are like the concept of MAN, man. M for money, A for authority, and N for, I will tell you in my session, right? Similarly, you have the concept of 3 V's. What is this? Volume, dash, variety. What is dash? I'll tell you in my sessions. Similarly, you have many more concepts like the 3 C's and the others which I'm going to tell you, and we are going to practice it also during our sessions. We are going to practice it so that you have a good hold on these scientific areas of selling. I always preach, it is the weak salesman who sells price, not the strong salesman. Strong salesmen sell value over price. In session number 16, we are going to be discussing this on how to fight competition on price through your sales letters and through virtual selling aids. In session number 17, 18 and 19, we are going to be discussing how to become an effective salesman. When I say effective salesman, what I mean is how can you improve your per capita business per call? How can you do better micro and macro sales planning? How to do better customer management, territory coverage, self-assessment during COVID times. Well, friends, in session number 20, 21 and 22, we are going to be addressing a very, very important area of selling, and that is how to handle internal communication. I have been telling you about external communication, that is communication with customer, but internal communication is equally important. So how to write good performance report, how to write good memos, how to reply to memos received by you, and even stinkers, how to handle stinkers. That is also I am going to teach you in session number 20 to 22. Session number 23 and 24 are going to deal with how to handle budget woes, how to handle budget stresses. We will talk on stress management during COVID times. How to, because a salesman sells only when he is liberated, when he is happy doing his sales job, not when he is in stress. So we will be discussing this, how to handle stress, how to divert stress and become effective in selling. Handling the boss. Again, one of my favorite topics. Very important during COVID times. Why? Because sales have been marginalized. There's a lot of stress on your boss to perform, and obviously the stress comes down to you. So how do you handle your boss? And how do you attain leadership amongst your own colleagues during COVID times? This is the point we are going to discuss in these two sessions, 24 and 25. Since most of you are in managerial and supervisory levels, handling, controlling and monitoring your sales team is very important. Now, since we are in COVID area and we don't have the luxury of physical meeting, how do we control our sales team online through reporting and through virtual meetings is what we are going to be discussing in session number 26, and I will tell you the nuances of how to control your sales team online. Apart from the regular reporting patterns that is followed in your organization, I will give you tips in session number 27 on additional documentation from your junior staff for sharper, stricter control on your sales team during COVID times. Everybody strives for success, for promotions, for appreciation. In session number 28, we are going to be discussing how you can groom yourself for success and faster promotions. I will tell you nuances, small tips on how you can stand out in the crowd during these difficult times and make your presence felt. Session number 29 and the last session 30, I have specially reserved for any questions that you may have or anything additional that you would like to discuss with me. Well, friends, sell well to success during COVID times. This module of 30 hours is going to absolutely train you guys to handle this COVID era and be a winner. So come, join this course, be with me for 30 hours, learn the nuances of selling during COVID times and be a winner. Make a mark for yourself, prove your worth and be a winner. Thank you guys. See you in my first session now.